It's working. Hey, you're here. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm printing something. Surprise! Not really. But I wanted to talk about this thing. Technically, I wanted to talk about this spool up here. FDM, Fused Deposition Modeling. There's a hot end down there, fusing. Fused. The deposit, deposition, filament into a model, FDM. It's just heating it up, and each layer is being stacked onto the next layer. Is this a recording? So first up, we have PLA. PLA stands for polylactic acid. A lot of companies will market this as biodegradable, eco-friendly. Depends on what they put into it. So, let's be real. As you can see, there's a variety of colors. Yellows, blues, reds, greens, oranges, whites. I even have clear, as you saw over there on the printer. They even impregnate some of these with wood. This is a ebony color. I have bamboo, I have redwood. It's not real redwood most likely, but oak. PLA is an easy to print for beginners. It's very forgiving, depending on your parameters that you've put into your slicer program and your printer itself. It's ideal for decorative prints, prototypes, toys, such. There are different kinds out there that are even shiny, rainbowy. Is rainbowy even a word? It's also great for educational projects. I told you I was going to dumb it down. I ain't going to try to say these big words. Here's ABS. ABS, let's see. ABS is acrylonitrile. You know what? I'm not even going to try it. But yeah. Common choice for mechanical parts. Drafts, though, yeah. This stuff will warp, and it pains me to say it, that sucks when it happens. So you have to be careful when any kind of a draft. If it's near a door like my printer is, I can't really do ABS. I need to put an enclosure up around it. Just like my old printer used to have that vinyl one. So, yeah, not a fun thing, but an amazingly strong too. PETG, polyethylene terephthalate modified. It's versatile. We'll just put it at that. So it's very versatile. That's a really hard word to say. Combines the best qualities of PLA and ABS. It's easy to print like PLA, yet it's strong and durable like an ABS. It's great for, doing mechanical parts, figurines, such like that. You need flexibility. Flexibility is right here. It's TPU. Let's say TPU. Can I say that? Oh, that's easy. Thermoplastic polyurethane, TPU. Actually, what my phone case is made of. Most phone cases are made of that it's kind of rubbery, you can move it around and everything and it not break, it's not brittle. That's what TPU is. Known for its elasticity. As I said, you can kind of twist it around and bend it. Shock absorption. So you're making shocks for your RC cars. This is the stuff you want to use. In conclusion, world of FDM filament is rich with options, catering to various needs and preferences. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced 3D printing enthusiast, I'm still in the beginner stage, even after 3 years, so calm yourselves. But remember, there's a filament out there for you, for whatever project needs you have. I wanted to make this as easy as possible to understand about filaments for FDM printing. Some of these videos that I've seen out there, they don't really tell you too much, and they kind of overload you. And you don't need your brain going a million miles a minute going, well, which one do I need? Which temperature do I have to put it at? Do I put it at a 50 millimeters per second speed or a 30 millimeters per second speed? Hey, is it going to be able to, go underwater? Is it going to be able to breathe? Blah, blah, blah. Wait, how long does it usually last? Does it biodegrade for real? There's so many questions out there. Let's keep it simple. Is this thing even on?